Today, we're going to learn how to normalize audio levels for your YouTube videos, ensuring consistent and professional sound quality. Let's get started. Start by importing your video into the timeline. Select the audio clip you want to normalize. Right-click on the audio clip and choose Normalize Audio Levels from the drop-down menu. This will open the Normalize audio window. Here you have a preset that you can choose for YouTube. Here, you'll see some important options. Target level. This is the loudness level you want your audio to be adjusted to. For YouTube, a good starting point is -14 LUFS, which refers to loudness units full scale, which is the platform's recommended standard. DaVinci Resolve will automatically adjust your audio levels to match the chosen target. If you have multiple clips, you can normalize all of them at once by selecting them together, right-clicking, and choosing Normalize Audio Levels. And that's it. Your audio is now normalized for YouTube, giving your viewers a balanced listening experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.